Hello everyone, this is Suraj Bhaviskar. Welcome to my YouTube channel Suraj Bhaviskar Trading. I am delighted to see your response to my earlier videos and really want to thank you guys for your love, support and comments. Do send me your comments on earlier videos so that I can share valuable information or topic with you guys. Today we are going to discuss the criteria or checklist or key factors to evaluate before selecting your stockbroker irrespective of different markets or different locations across the globe. Like if you have not seen my earlier videos, different markets, stocks market, cryptocurrency, forex, commodities, bond market, ETF, go and visit to that video before starting this video. So that video will give you an idea what are the different financial instruments you can trade into. So coming back to a criteria to evaluate before selecting your stockbroker, this is very generic criteria or aspect which one need to evaluate before selecting your stockbroker. So criteria is like fees and commissions, trading platform, research and analysis tools, customer support, account types, security and regulations, margin and leverage, asset types, education and training, mobile trading, account minimums, execution speed and reliability, regulation compliance and withdrawal process. So based on these criteria, you can select your stockbroker irrespective of any financial market across the globe. So we'll move to each and every criteria and we'll try to understand what you need to check before selecting your stockbroker, because every person is having a different requirement. As per his requirement, he has to select the stockbroker. So before selecting stockbroker, so you need to keep in your mind that okay, these are your requirement and these are the criteria. If it is matching, best matching, then you can go for that stockbroker. So moving to first criteria, fees and commissions. Evaluate trading fees, commission rates, account maintenance fees and any additional charges if broker is charging you. Second criteria is trading platform. So different kind of trading platforms are provided by a stockbroker. So assess the usability, features available in trading platform, reliability of broker's trading platform. So it should be highly available and easily accessible at any time. Next criteria is research and analysis tools. Consider the availability of research reports, charts and other tools for market analysis. Customer support. Look for a responsive and helpful customer support through various channels like phone, chat, email. So broker should have a very good customer support. So in case of your issue, you can raise the ticket or you can get in touch with their customer support and resolve your issue as soon as possible. Moving to next criteria, account types. Check if the broker offers different types of accounts based on your trading needs. So what different types of accounts trader is providing, so that is also important criteria you need to consider. Next is very important criteria, security and regulations. Ensure the broker is regulated by a relevant financial authority and follows security standard. So this is very important criteria. So you need to check that one also to decide your stockbroker. Next aspect is margin and leverages. If you plan to use a margin, understand the broker's margin requirement and leverage options, its interest rate and other things. So based on that one, you can take a decision or you can select your stockbroker. Next criteria is asset type. Verify if broker provides access to diverse range of assets or financial instruments like stocks, ETF, mutual fund, etc. Education and training. Assess the availability of educational resources and training materials for investor and traders. Mobile trading. Check the functionality and user friendliness of the broker's mobile trading app so that you can trade from any location. Account minimums. Consider if there are any minimum deposit requirements or account balance threshold for your stockbroker. If it is there, so you need to consider that point as well. Next point is execution speed and reliability. Evaluate the broker's track record for executing trades quickly and reliability. how this platform is available for 24/7, so that is also important things. And next point is regulatory compliance. Ensure that the broker complies with the financial guidelines, regulations in jurisdiction it operates. So irrespective of your location, so your broker should compliance with all financial regulations. So that is most important point. And last one is withdrawal process. Understand the ease and speed of withdrawing funds from your trading account to your bank account. So this is most important, because after your profit or loss, whatever amount is there, that needs to be transferred as per your request on your will into your trading account to your bank account. So these are the various aspects which one need to consider before selecting your stockbroker, and accordingly you can open your account. It may happen that you can start with a small amount, analyze your broker, and if you think your criteria are matching as per your expectation with the stockbroker, then you can do a full-fledged accounting or trading with that broker. Thank you guys, have a happy trading.